Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, I'm going to talk about how to get interest-free credit cards. Are you excited? It's going to be interest-free for 1 year. It's really important that during this time, you get interest-free credit cards as many as possible to help you with this period. It may be for 6 months, it may be for another 1 year. You never know. And if you are somebody who has never had credit card before, get a credit card. You're gonna need it for when you buy the home, when you buy a car. It's very very important to get credit card and get your credit score as soon as possible. So this is your first time to reach out inside our channel. So welcome to our channel. So this channel we talk about money, we talk about business, finance, stock investment, and how to make more money and how to save money and anything related to business and finance and money. So you make sure you subscribe our channel if you want to be successful. Okay, if you actually go to the YouTube channel, you click on the subscribe, then you click on the bell, then you select all because some of the materials, some of the videos are very time sensitive. You don't want to miss any videos. So as soon as you do this one, you're gonna get notifications. Okay, so if you want to win the VIP course where you can discuss about business, finance, stock investment, real estate, so make sure you share the videos, YouTube and Facebook, and with hashtag win a call. And if you want to subscribe, want to give me some message, you can do it right here on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. Or if you cannot wait and you want to make a reservation to book a call, make sure you click the link or above the video so you can call me. Okay, so this is the best interest-free credit card for beginners. So I'm gonna post a link below or above the video. If it's YouTube, it's gonna be below. If it's Facebook, it's gonna be above. So once you click on it, it's gonna take you to this website, and you're gonna choose a card design if you want, whatever the design you want. And so basically, you fill your name. So this is gonna be your first name. You can fill in Rich Dad and last name Insider, and you can fill in the address right here, 123 Main Street. And if you live in an apartment, you can fill in the information about your apartment unit, whatever that might be. So blah blah blah. Fill in the city, state, and zip code. Is this your mailing address? You select yes. Then after that, for the primary phone, you're gonna put in your phone number and your email address. And subscribe at Rich Dad inside YouTube. .com or whatever, and you date of birth, social security number, and you select if you are U.S. citizen, you select U.S. citizen. If not, you select non-U.S. citizen. It's gonna give you a list of the countries to select. If you're working full time, you're gonna select employed full time, part time, retire. There's a bunch of lists right here, and you fill in occupations. Accountant, doctor, dentist, attorney, education, hospitalities, or finance, management, police, restaurant, and retail. There are a lot of the occupations right here. But if your occupation doesn't belong anywhere in the list, you can put in other. Then you can put if you're a real estate agent, you can put real estate agent. Highest education, bachelor degrees or whatever. The housing standard. If you own a home, click on the home. Gross income 35,000 or whatever. Then you want to fill up. The monthly housing 1,500. Bank house. You can select anything that you want. Then after that, you click continue to terms. So once you click continue to terms, the next page is gonna show you how much interest free period you get. Usually it's about 14 months, 12 to 14 months. You might want to check it out. And if you spend, if you sign up using my link, you're gonna get $50 statement credits. And after you made the first purchase about for the within the first 3 months of being approval. It's very easy to get, so I'm giving you $50 statement credit. Okay, that's about it. It's very simple. It takes you about less than 5 minutes. Get it, and it's gonna help you with your finances for the next 12 to 14 months. It's a great credit card. You should get it. If you haven't had a credit card before, get this credit card first. If you have another credit card, get this card as well. Okay, so what can you do now? Make sure you subscribe and share this video so that your friends can also get credit cards and they're gonna be thankful for you. Okay, so I have a course. A lot of people asking me, hey, where do I put money? How to make more money? So I'm gonna create a course. There's a pre-launch special for $295. You can click the name below or above. The videos after the launch is gonna be $355. And I'm gonna give you the 1 year access to the class for limited time. So if you can always go back and study again the videos over again, and I'm gonna be adding videos every week, continuously, so the course is always up to date. So in a normal course, you go to class, after 2 to 3 months you forget about it. With my course, you will never forget about it, because if you forget it, you can always go back and rewatch the videos and exercises. And also, normal class, you go to the class after 6 months, the course materials is already updated. With my course, it's gonna be updated every single week, so there is no risk to being outdated. And if you sign up before the launch, you can get 2 free consultation calls, worth about $75. And if you only for my students attending this class, I'm gonna open a special access to weekly stock page, the stocks that I'm going to buy. I'm gonna tell why I'm buying this stock, so you can buy the stock together with me and keep all the gains that you have. And you just ask yourself 2 questions. Do you want to work for money, or do you want money to work for you? If you are somebody who goes to jobs every day and you just save your money sitting in the bank, it's losing, because the banks gave you only 0.01%, and inflation is about 2%. So you are losing 2% every year if you do nothing, and you are working for your money as a slave, because you just go to work, give your time to your boss, then you just to get money. But if you want to make your money work for you as your slave 24/7, invest in the stock market. I'm going to teach you how to invest it, and I'm going to teach you how to keep all the profits legally without having to pay tax on it. So if you make 1,000, you don't need to worry about paying $300 to the government, IRS. So make sure you click the link below above the video. So just go ahead and sign up. So I have another course, how to get 75,000 more paid jobs in USA. Do you make less than 75,000 a year, or do you want to change your career? Do you want to make more money? Do you want to work and live in USA? So if you say yes to any of the above, you must take this course. So sign up below or above the video. There's gonna be future courses. Basically how to start business and be your own boss. If you want to start your part-time business when you still have a full-time job, so that in case anything happens to you or anything happens to the economy outside of your control, you have something to fall back on. And once your business takes off, you can become full-time boss. So I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own business part-time, and how to be your own boss, and also how to make money trading stocks, day trade, swing trades, stuff like that. So if you want to reserve your own space in this closet, text me your email address. That you will get a special access before launch. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I want to give you free gifts for you for watching my videos. So click on the link below. I have 3 free audio books for you, And I also, if you haven't started stocks yet, I'm gonna give you 3 free stocks. There are 2 links. Just click on 2 links and open an account. Then make a deposit of $100. After that, one of the links gonna give you a stock up to 1,400. It's a great start. So make sure you subscribe for it. And if you want to be a real estate agent, real estate agents makes money when the market is down, when the market is up. Because when the market is down, a lot of sellers are selling their home. When the market is good, a lot of buyers are buying the houses. So you make money either way. So if you want to become a real estate agent, click the link below. Sign up to be a real estate agent. And I also posting the links for best credit cards. And during tough times, it's very important to save money. So if you're paying more than $15 a month on your cell phone plan, you better switch to this plan. Even Hollywood actor Ryan Reynolds love this plan. Unlimited mobile plans, unlimited testing, unlimited data, and unlimited talking. Click on it. Then you're gonna save a lot of money. If you are saving $405 a year on cell phone, you can use that your money to go to Bahamas, travel, or invest in education, invest in stock. And if you are thinking about traveling, then I'm gonna give you free travel credit for you. So any questions, text me your emails. And I've got a lot of questions. I might have a team call. I want to answer everybody's questions. So if you want to know the link, text me your email address. So I'm gonna let you know when the video call is happening. And you can also leave voicemail chat in the Instagram. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you are somebody who shares the most and who comment the most with the hashtag winner call, you're gonna get a free call. But if you cannot wait, you want to talk about business, finance, stock investment, real estate, anything about life, you can click on the link below to make a reservation. So subscribe YouTube channel, and also like and see first Facebook, and follow in Richard Insight. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.